Welcome to our channel where we bring you the best product reviews to help you make informed buying decisions. In today's video, we will be comparing two of the best air fryers in the market, air fryers and Instant Vortex Plus air fryer. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. When it comes to functionality, both appliances have their unique features. While air fryers have low-calorie cooking spray and adjustable temperature dial ranging between 80 to 200 degrees Celsius for precise cooking, Instant Vortex Plus air fryer offers a versatile temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees Celsius and 6-in-1 functionality to air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Plus, it comes with several one-touch customizable programs and a fast preheating feature, making it a clear winner in this category. When it comes to cooking results, Instant Vortex Plus air fryer takes the lead with its advanced Even Crisp technology, allowing for perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. It also has a clear cook window and internal light to monitor cooking progress without opening the basket. While air fryers do a great job at healthier cooking with rapid air circulation technology, it lacks the Even Crisp technology that Instant Vortex Plus air fryer offers. Both air fryers and Instant Vortex Plus air fryer are easy to clean with non-stick and dishwasher-safe fry basket and tray. However, air fryers require only a simple hand wash to clean the removable basket and pull-out drawer, making it a more convenient option for quick cleaning. Air fryers have a budget-friendly price of $2, making it an affordable option for those on a tight budget. In comparison, Instant Vortex Plus air fryer has a higher price of $139, which is justified with its advanced features, versatility, and safety features, making it a good investment for those who want a top-notch air fryer experience. That brings us to the end of our comparison between air fryers and Instant Vortex Plus air fryer. Both appliances have their unique selling points, and it ultimately depends on your preferences and budget. We hope this video helped you make a better buying decision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.